Ash, and today we're going to make the viral dot cake. I'm using this easy one-bowl vanilla cake recipe from Style Sweet. I need 375 grams of flour. Next, we need 400 grams of granulated sugar. Now, we need 1 tablespoon and 1/4 of a teaspoon baking powder. We need 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Whisk, whisk, whisk! So here's the challenge. I didn't add whole milk, but I add almond milk. But if you add butter to almond milk, it becomes whole milk. Pour 1 1/4 cup of milk in. Next, we need to crack 4 eggs. Oop! Oh no, the egg yolk. That's okay. As you can see, we saved the egg. Don't waste ingredients. Next, add 1/3 cup of oil. We need 2 teaspoons and a half of vanilla. Now we need to whisk again. Make sure to combine all the wet and dry ingredients. You really gotta break up that egg yolk. Because this is a dot cake, we're gonna add some colorful sprinkles. You want to go under and over, basically folding. Oopsies, I made a huge mistake. I forgot to add the melted butter. I think it's going to be okay. Let's put it in and see what happens. As long as you mix it well, it should be okay. We're gonna grease a jelly bowl pan with oil, only a little bit. Brush all along and on the sides too. Scoop your batter evenly and spread it all around. Give it a few whacks to get the air bubbles out. Ooh. Next, we're gonna make our yummy and delicious vanilla buttercream. We're gonna need 400 grams of powdered sugar. Add 2 sticks of softened butter. Good squirt of vanilla. 1 tablespoon of milk to start. I like to mash it before mixing so then it doesn't spray everywhere. Put a cloth over just in case. Whip for about 5 minutes on medium speed. Now you want to scrape inside the bowl. By the end of your mixing, your frosting should look creamy and fluffy like this. Our cake is done. This is how you know the top springs back. I'm most excited to see if the layers will actually fit in the cups and will resemble a viral dot cake. Once the cake is cooled, you want to cut out circles. Twist, 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 twist. Yes, and then twist, twist, twist. Take out a circle and plop it in your cup. Pro tip, use a scoop to even out the frosting. Look, it looks like an ice cream cake cone. Pour it here and then spread the frosting evenly. Don't forget to sneak some. Next, we're gonna add another layer. Final scoop of frosting before the dots. You gotta make it flat across. I'm so excited for this part. Add your sprinkles. Put your cake mud in the middle and pray so that it doesn't break. Wow, it looks like a colorful dot cake with sprinkles. I can't wait to taste it. It's so good. It's the best dot cake I've ever eaten in my life. Let's make the rest of them. We're almost done. Add one more layer of frosting around. The problem is I don't have enough dot sprinkles for our pastel ones, so we're gonna use these. Wow, they look just as pretty. Do you like my pretty dot cakes with pastel sprinkles? Look how cute they look. I love them. The story behind these dot cakes is that a famous bakery made them, and I want to make these at home. The most fun part for me was dipping them into the sprinkles. It was so fun seeing them do a bunch of colorful sprinkle colors. So the biggest challenge I had was that we forgot the butter, and that was a huge mistake. But once we added it in and whisked it a few more times, the cake turned out to be fluffy and normal. Another challenge I had was one of the eggs splashed everywhere with the egg white, but we scraped it back in and we saved it. Lastly, we only added almond milk, but we added some butter to make it whole milk. Who doesn't like yummy cake? Thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to try the Violet Dot Cake.